For the information of my colleagues, numerous and coordinated circulation of fake news have been circulating regarding new tax measures allegedly proposed by this representation, by me. In my 24 years in the Senate, I have never proposed for any additional tax measures. In fact, I have consistently voted against it. So for the peddlers of fake news, ipagdadasal ko na lang kayo. Sa ating mga kababayan, huwag kayong basta maniniwala, lalo na pag masama ang balita. Mayroong propaganda talaga against the Senate, against myself. Kasi napansin namin, mula September 8, pagdating ng mga Thursday, Friday, Saturday, may mga fake news against me, against Senator Lacson, against Senator Solini. Tapos pagdating ng Lunes, meron daw coup. Every weekend. So, ang tawag dito, staged ba ito? There's a word for that.
Tingin niyo may concerted effort?
Yun. That is the best word. I think there is a concerted effort by some quarters. I don't know who. We'll try to find out.
Anong goal ko?
Siguro, walang makita sa amin. Gumawa na lang ng invento. Gumawa ng fake news. Siguro, first to discredit us. Most probably. Sabi ko nga, sa kanila, pagkakasal ko na lang sila. Pero sa mga kababayan natin, basta masama ang balita, huwag maniniwala.